ChatGPT has just launched an eye-popping upgrade, ChatGPT Vision. How to use this function to take your skills to the next level. In this video, we will give you 5 exclusive and surprising methods to supercharge your learning journey with the help of ChatGPT Vision. First, practical problem solving. Working on something hands-on? Whether you're troubleshooting engine parts, understanding complex circuits, math problem, physics diagram, or diagnosing a plant disease, ChatGPT can offer insights and solutions based on the visual input. Snap it, upload it, and ChatGPT to the rescue. How to use ChatGPT Vision. You should have GPT-4 set to default mode. On the bottom left side, you can find the Attach Image icon. Just attach your diagram, graphic, or report, and voila! ChatGPT provides an analysis of all the data from the picture. But here's the exclusive tip. Don't just ask for the solution. Ask for step-by-step explanations, common mistakes students make, or alternative methods. Deepen your understanding beyond just the answer. Second, achieving fluency in any language. Got an article, comic, or text in foreign language? Upload it. ChatGPT can break down the vocabulary, explain idiomatic expressions, and even discuss cultural nuances. Perfect for intermediate learners looking to bridge the gap to fluency. Third, step-by-step analysis. Ever felt lost in the middle of a process? From cooking to assembling complex machinery, use ChatGPT to guide you. Snap a picture at any step, upload it, and get clarifications, tips, or alternatives. For example, if you are cooking something new, just ask ChatGPT. Based on the image I've uploaded, am I on the right track with preparing this dish? Can you provide any clarifications, tips, or suggestions for the next steps? No more guessing games. It's like having a master chef or expert right beside you. Skill progress tracking. For disciplines requiring iterative learning like art or even physical exercises, uploading periodic images can help track progress. For example, if you're working on a painting, upload 2 drawings, one from a month ago and another from today. Then ask ChatGPT to track the progress. ChatGPT can point out improvements, suggest areas of focus, or even provide exercises for further refinement. This comparison can act as a milestone checkpoint, with AI feedback guiding the learning journey.
Well done.
Personal project feedback. Working on a personal project or artwork and need an expert's opinion. Upload it. Then ask ChatGPT for feedback, improvements, or even historical context. Whether it's art, DIY projects, or tech innovations, get instant feedback and elevate your work. We've just scratched the surface and the possibilities are limitless. If you found this video enlightening, do us a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting updates, and share your experiences or questions in the comments. Remember, every interaction helps the community grow stronger. Until next time, keep exploring and supercharging your skills.